Excuse me. There we go. I don't know what the fuck's going on. Friends. Join fire team.
Tim, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. I don't know. I had to restart the game.
I cannot find Zerg, or whatever his name is. He said he's not on the frickin' tower.
Is he in the reef now, maybe?
I don't know. I don't see him here.
I'm coming to the tower again. Hopefully they didn't remove him.
Yeah, that would be bullshit. It's Fridays and Saturdays he's supposed to be here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I've checked the entire hangar area. I checked down by the vanguards. I checked the whole tower, but I mean, I'm just gonna go through it again. I guess I missed them.
It'd be weird if they removed him.
I already this guy. The only legendary weapon I've ever seen him fucking selling, and it's one that I already have. Oh no, this is to reforge. Is this to reforge this guy?
Yeah. Yeah. You reforge it at the weaponsmith. At the gunsmith, I mean. Do.
Omnigul is dead. The will.
I mean, if you reforge it, what exactly does it do? It just changes the attributes? It changes the available upgrades.
Yeah, changes the available upgrades.
Fuck that for now.
You lose progress.
Yeah, I'm not
if
doing
you do it though.
You've done well for yourself, Guardian.
But I guess if you get like a shitty weapon that doesn't really have anything you want, it's a good way to change it. Oh.
Hello, Warlock.
This would, if I tell you this, if this is true that freaking Xur is not here on the tower and he's on the reef, this is a dick move by G. Because that means anybody that does not have this freaking DLC is screwed.
No.
I don't know. I don't know. You might be able to access the areas, but not do any of the missions.
Hello, Warlock.
Because that's kind of what they did with the last DLC. You know, where there's, what was it, the strike missions and the Nightfall strikes or the daily strikes or something. You could not access them if you did not have the current DLC. You know, I didn't check up here. Nope, he's not here.
Yeah, I don't know where the fuck he is.
I'm guessing he's on the reef. So,
If he's still in the game.
Then how the heck else do you get freaking exotic shards? Why do they take them out?
You get exotic shards by dismantling exotic weapons, and you get exotic weapons by doing Prison of Elders, I guess. I didn't check up here.
You must understand
Nope.
war as well as anyone, Guardian.
Unless they move, did they maybe move his date? I don't think they would. Cause the trials are today.
He's not here. Let's try to reef. Who's the fire team leader here?
You.
I am.
Yeah.
Warlock.
That's kind of bullshit. Do 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 do. To the reef. Oh shit. I woke up later than I wanted to today.
Apparently he's on here because I'm looking at my freaking thing here. I'm pulling it up now on my phone. Cause somebody updated what's worth getting bought from him today. Let me see where he's located.
He has to be on the reef.
If you play Destiny, you probably
I am Bergson 9940. You may call me Bird if you prefer.
Oh yeah, strange coins he needs. I forgot about that. I don't know how many of those I have.
Here he is.
Where?
In here.
Eric,
Okay.
Caterpillar, stand by.
I think it is very possible that you walk among them.
Ooh.
He has a new hand. He has the last word. Exotic shard.
Yeah, he does.
Oh sweet! It's only freaking 7. It's only 7 freaking strange coins. Sweet Jesus, thank you. Bye. We get 2 of you. That's a shame. Let me hold off on buying the second one. Let me upgrade this thing. Thank you. How much freaking thing did that give me? I'm still level 30. I'm just like I'm just barely level 30. And I really don't want to do anything more with these other freaking pieces of armor.
Because I want to get that one that other dude's selling.
Checking for
I should still buy at least freaking another exotic shard from him. Maybe 1 or 2. So I have him for later.
I don't. He's selling a gauntlet for me, but I don't want the gauntlet. I want to keep my gauntlets. If
fact, I just fully upgraded my gauntlets, so I'm not changing my gauntlets. Yeah, let me buy at least.
Wait, those gauntlets, is it the one where you trade in the old one for the new one?
No. These are my gauntlets are what's my gauntlets?
Oh,
Ruined
no.
Wings. These ones are no backup plan. I don't.
I'm surprised, like, he doesn't have that option. I guess because they do the reforging that way.
Yeah, I already.
You don't really need to do it.
Yeah, so I just did it, so it doesn't need to do anymore. Let me buy at least 2 more of these for later. Who knows the next time I'll see them.
I couldn't help myself. I bought I bought Last Word.
Should I could get an exotic Ingram from him. I have a bunch of Motes of Light. Let me buy that. You don't use Motes of Lights for anything else, really. Fucking hell.
Oh, you buy them for Motes of Light? I thought it was for Strange Coin.
No.
Fuck it, yeah. I got 30.
You bought 3 of them?
Why not? No. I had 30 Motes of Light.
Alright, I bought 3 freaking of these things, 3 exotic shards for later. Let me go freaking see what this. I swear to God,
I'm gonna be upset. I could tell it. I can already tell I'm gonna be upset.
Why?
Let's see what happens when I freaking exchange this shit.
I prefer not to get.
Oh my God! It gave me an exotic helmet.
Yep. Shit.
I can't freaking wear it.
Yeah.
I can't freaking wear it, but I mean, it gave me one.
Nova Bomb. Okay, so this will be for when I switch to Sunsinger.
Yes.
Which I never do, so. I don't know why I bought that. That was pointless.
What, the exotic Ingram?
Yeah.
You
I'm
can
not gonna
always
switch to it.
you can always dismantle it later for an exotic shard.
True.
Let me see what.
Got anything for me, Petra?
She has, I think, 2 freaking. For me. Oh no, I already bought these 2.
Yeah,
has 2
I don't have any more to pick up.
I just have to actually finish the last 2 bounties that I have for her.
I think I'm gonna see if I can get Hal. Next time I see Hal on here, I'm gonna send him a message.
Yeah.
I'm gonna send him a message.
See if you can get him on here.
Cause I want to freaking do this. I want to do this so I can get this piece of armor.
Yeah, it requires 3 people.
Yeah.
Cause hell, this shit goes so good with like freaking my gauntlets.
And it's hella powerful. This is almost 100. This is like 75. This has like 75 more defense than any of the chess pieces that are tier 2 on the tower that you can buy.
It has the same
If it's time.
defense as my upgraded exotic.
How much is yours? This one here is 536.
It's 536.
Yeah,
How goes the hunt?
that's freaking ridiculous.
Yeah, it is. Ooh.
Alright, what are we about to do here?
I used to be a warlord.
Yes.
More bounties?
You need to do those. You need to do those bounties, right?
Yeah.
What's today's bounties for?
Ready, Guardian.
Gold tier public events, Hive, fusion rifle.
Well, let's go to your public events. Let me get that.
Where do we need to go? The moon, right?
I think we need to go to Moon and Venus. Let me see here. Yeah, Moon and Venus.
Okay.
So I guess let's go to the Moon.
I'll take the Hive one. And
Good luck.
yeah,
Transaction
that's
complete.
fine.
Take this. Let me take this
Else-
Hive for defeating majors and ultras.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Go to
And I
the
picked up
enemy.
the fusion rifle one. I'm just gonna swap to that fusion rifle I got and use it.
That thing sucks ass. I'm not even trying.
It's not that hard.
Guardian.
I can never get two freaking enemies close enough to get it. I mean, I did it like once before, but fuck that shit. Complete 6 patrol missions on the Cosmodrome.
Unable to confirm resolution of
I'll
bounty.
take that for later.
Signal to Xander 9940 is open.
Yeah, I'll take that.
Acknowledge. Goodbye, Guardian.
Alright, I'm full up on bounties.
No. I got 2 more spots, but I'm good.
Please respond.
Alright, we're going to the moon, I guess.
Some helium.
Our home will never be the same again.
We just need to do a patrol mission on the moon. You guys gotta go to the patrol to do that shit, right?
Yeah. Right? Is it? It's a dude, right?
It's those
On the moon?
groups of guys, just like the other one that you were talking that we did yesterday.
Right. Oh, I know where that is. I think I killed them once before
Hunt the wanted.
without knowing that it was a thing.
Hunt the wanted wolves in the Hall of Widows on the moon.
Wisdom. It's wisdom.
I'm sorry,
right?
Wisdom. Sorry, Hall of Wisdom.
Give me that helium.
What
Okay,
guns
let's
am I
go find some
equipped with
trouble.
right now, actually. What are you shooting at? Me?
No,
Oh, you
I was
should
just
check-
fucking around with the cannon.
Like,
Like when you pull it out, you do like you spin it around on your finger, and then you do like the hammer knock with your hand to shoot it.
Okay. Oh shit! I forgot that I bought like I can freaking upgrade Bad Juju all the way. Holy shit! Oh my god, Bad Juju is maxed out completely. Finally, it took 2 freaking exotic shards to do it, and I got an achievement
No, there's an achievement for doing that.
to upgrade an exotic all the way.
Really?
Yeah.
Did I already have that achievement?
D-
Because I didn't get it when I upgraded my chest.
it's probably, I think it's upgrading an exotic weapon all the way.
Okay.
What the hell? Get off of me! Wait, come here!
Give me that helium.
There's a guy right behind you.
I don't care. He's level 6.
Ooh, helium.
He's It's like tickling me. I don't really care that much.
Just tickle my ball sack.
Pretty much.
Oh, I switched I switched my my heavy. Look at my freaking heavy machine gun. Look at that shit right there. Has a scope on it and everything. Mine's is bigger.
Wait, does it show that me spinning it when I do the thing?
Yeah, it does. I don't think
I think it's just with the frickin'
it doesn't do that with the other hand cannons?
No, it only does it with this.
Ooh. I hear freaking something here. Is that a treasure
Yeah,
chest
here.
or something around here?
Gotta be up there.
Did you check below us?
Yeah. Oh, here it is.
where?
Really? Just sitting there in the middle of the open. Alright, let's go.
Alright, what are we doing?
We're the Hall of Wisdom.
If I remember correctly, it's the one that's through here. Jesus Christ! Ow! That tickling hurt. It does it every time I pull the weapon out, even if I'm like doing a special jump.
Really? My battery's low? Hold on, before we go
That
down
is
there,
too.
let me change my battery before we go down in there. And there's some helium right here where I'm standing.
Okay.
That's interesting. This thing turned itself right back on as soon as I put the battery in, without me even trying to turn it on.
Ooh, what's it? Freaking Ingram. You said it's in here?